The United States' next-generation stealth strategic bomber, the B-21 Raider, was officially unveiled on December 2, 2022. This is a major milestone in the US military strength and will complement the country's existing bomber fleet, which includes the B-2 Spirit, B-1B Lancer, and B-52. The B-21 Raider stealth bomber ushers in a new era in warfare. With its stealth capabilities, advanced weapons systems, and open systems architecture that can integrate all elements, this sixth-generation aircraft pushes the boundaries. The introduction of the B-21 Raider is a testament to the dedication and skill of thousands of people working to build a safer future. It is a major turning point in military history that changes everything. The B-21 Raider is the first new strategic bomber to enter service in the United States in more than 3 decades. It is a testament to the enduring advantages of the American military. In terms of specifications, the B-21 Raider is named after the American aviators who conducted a daring raid during World War II, bombing Tokyo on April 18, 1942. The B-21 Raider is the latest stealth bomber in the United States arsenal. It has an estimated range of over 5,900 nautical miles, 9,650 kilometers, without refueling. This is less than the range of the B-52H Stratofortress, over 8,000 nautical miles, 14,800 kilometers. B-2 Spirit 6,800 nautical miles, 11,100 kilometers. And B-1B Lancer 7,400 nautical miles, 11,900 kilometers. However, the B-21 Raider's range is still sufficient for it to carry out long-range strike missions and strike fear in the hearts of America's adversaries. According to unofficial estimates, the B-21 will have a payload of 10 to 15 tons, less than the B-2's 18 to 23 tons. Details about the types of bombs that the new aircraft can carry in its weapons bays have not been released, but they could include 500-pound unguided bombs, 2,000-pound precision-guided munitions, multi-purpose nuclear bombs B-61 and B-83, AGM-154 glide bombs, or AGM-158 cruise missiles. The stealth capability is one of the highlights of the B-21 Raider, the United States' newest stealth bomber. The B-21's advanced stealth technology is said to be able to help it evade enemy radar, making it a difficult target to detect and destroy. The B-21 Raider is designed with a special shape and advanced stealth coating, which helps it to reflect radar waves. This makes the B-21 Raider virtually invisible to enemy radar, even the most advanced air defense systems. The B-21 Raider is also equipped with an open systems architecture, which allows it to be updated with the latest weapons and technology. This keeps the B-21 Raider ready for future missions. The bomber is expected to enter service with the Air Force in 2026 or 2027. If all goes according to plan, the B-21 Raider, the United States' newest stealth bomber, has an estimated price of $692 million per aircraft. The US Air Force plans to build a total of at least 100 aircraft, but the price is likely to increase, as is the case with most defense projects. The B-2, the United States' first stealth bomber, was designed in the 1980s and entered service in 1997. Its unadjusted price tag was over $2.13 billion. The United States originally planned to produce 130 to be to South, but only 21 were built due to the end of the Cold War and changes in defense budget priorities. According to data from the Government Accountability Office, the B-2 Spirit has a cost per flight hour of over $1.700 and requires 60 hours of maintenance for each flight hour. The B-21 Raider costs about $173,000 per hour to fly, while the B-52 costs $88,353. This means that for the B-21's unveiling ceremony alone, the Air Force spent at least $500,000 on the bomber's appearance.